In this video, I'll go over how to sell on Coinbase wallet. So there's generally two things you can do, and one is for if you want to sell into a real fiat currency such as the US dollar, and the other one is for if you just want to have it in a currency like the US dollar but still have it in Coinbase wallet. So first I'll go over if you want to keep it in Coinbase wallet without much risk. So if that's what you want to do, then you just want to go and open up Coinbase wallet, click swap, then swap now, and just select a currency that you want to swap, for example, do Solana, and you just want to go to swap it to a stable coin such as Tether or USDC, and then from there continue, and then just go to make the swap. And then once you have swapped to a stable coin, then you will have it in a coin that kind of tracks the US dollar if you use Tether or USDC, and that means that the value won't change. So that is the first thing you can do, but if you want to swap it and then be able to withdraw it to your bank account, for example, then what you will need to do is just open up the currency that you want to sell. For example, use Ethereum, and then you just want to go and click send. And then you just need to send it to your normal Coinbase account or to whatever type of crypto exchange you want. So I'll use Coinbase for this example. And then just go and get your wallet address by going to transfer and then receive crypto. And then just select the same cryptocurrency, which for me is Ethereum. And then from there select the same network, which for me is also Ethereum, and then copy your address, go back, paste in the address in Coinbase wallet, and then you can go and select it. And then from there you can then just send the Ethereum or whatever crypto you want to your normal Coinbase account or whatever other exchange you want to use, such as Binance, Bybit, Kraken, etc. And then it will show up here, and then from here you can click buy and sell, then sell crypto for cash, and then once it's been deposited you can then just select how much you want to do, and then from there click sell now, and now I will have it in cash. And then what you can do is click transfer and then withdraw cash, and then you can go and withdraw it to your bank account. So that's basically two ways on how to sell on Coinbase wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.